Hi and welcome to the Kitchen Story by Vaidehi. This video is very special because I'm going to teach you how to make idli fry in 15 minutes right from scratch, that is from making idlis to idli fry. Personally, I have been a fan of idli fry since my college days and therefore I decided to make this video. I hope you guys enjoy it too, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we are going to use salt, ENO, rava or suji and water. Now I have also taken a mold which we will use later. So here we take 250 ml of suji, or you can say 1 cup of suji. In this we will add a little bit of water and start whisking it. Do not forget to add salt and ENO in your batter and whisk it very thoroughly because we don't want any lumps in our batter. Otherwise our idli will not taste as good as it should. As you can see, I have used a baking sheet in my mold before we put the batter for baking. This will help the batter to be separate from the base so that it does not stick and it does not trouble later. I will bake my batter for 10 minutes in oven on 175 degrees, and meanwhile I am keeping my onions chopped and ready for frying our idlis. So here our instant idli is ready. We have purposely made it in a block form so that it's easy to cut it into pieces and fry it. So these are the ingredients we are going to use for frying. That is turmeric, black mustard seeds, chopped chilies, chopped onions. I am using Goda masala. You can use any masala of your choice or you can skip masala also. I am also using chili powder, soy sauce and black pepper. So let's start frying our idli. Take a pan, take some oil in it. First we will use our mustard seeds for frying. Once they start popping out, we will add the other ingredients, starting with our chilies and then with the curry leaves. So here we have added our chopped onions. Now we will fry it till it's golden brown. By the time we fry, we will also add some other ingredients which will give the proper flavor to our idli. So here I am adding a little bit of black pepper, some turmeric,
the masala, chili powder, little bit of soy sauce and salt. We have to make sure that we do not add too much of salt, because if you remember, we have also added salt in our idli batter. We have to fry it till our onions are fried properly. Make sure that you do not burn it. So once you feel that all these ingredients are fried properly, you can add the idli pieces in this. So here we go with our idli pieces. So this is how it looks once it's fried. Our delicious idli fry is now ready. If you liked this recipe, do not forget to share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up. Take care, see you again.